Hi guys, I hope everybody can hear my voice and look at the presentation on the screen. In this particular video, we are going to understand the quantitative techniques or the mathematics preparation strategy for CLAT, ALET and other law entrance examinations. The title of this particular video talks only about CLAT, but in this particular video, we are going to understand not only about CLAT, but also for ALET, Symbiosis, Maharashtra set and other law entrance exams. So some of you might have decided to write the CLAT examination or other law entrances just because you are not good at math or you don't like math or science stream. So there are some people who do this thing just like me. But when it comes to CLAT and other law entrance examinations, quant or math is something which is very inevitable. So you cannot skip it. If you are not focusing on this particular section, then it will either make or break your rank. So if you're not focusing, if you're completely skipping this section, then there are very slim chances that you're going to get into any of the national law universities. So without any further ado, let us just look into the video. And the weightage of the quantitative techniques section in the CLAT examination is 10% of the paper, 13 to 17 questions. In CLAT 2020 and CLAT 2021, we got 15 questions. And in other law entrances, that is ALET, it is fixed 10 marks. And you have the same kind of weightage in, Symbiosis, Maharashtra set and other law entrances. So what exactly are the type of questions which are asked in the quantitative techniques section? So in this section, they'll be giving you some short set of facts or propositions, graphs, or some other information, and which will be followed by a series of questions. And what you will be required? You will be required to derive information from such passages, graphs, or other representations and apply mathematical operations. So these questions will require you to derive, infer and manipulate numerical information which is set out in the passages, graphs or other representations. And you will be required to apply 10th standard mathematical operations on such information, including areas such as ratio proportion, basic algebra, mensuration and statistical estimation. If you look at the word which is used here, it says including, which means that it is not only from these areas, but questions can be asked from other areas as well. See, in order to solve any question which is given in the quantitative techniques section, it is very much required that you're very good at the fundamentals. So what exactly are these fundamentals? We'll look in the next slides. So in other law entrance examinations, which is known by the section of elementary mathematics or quantitative aptitude, mental ability, there are topic based questions. So what are topic based questions? Like there will be 10 or 20 questions which will be on different topics or on the same topics. But whereas in the CLAT examination, you'll be given one piece of information. It might be a passage, it might be a graph, it might be a pie chart, and you will be asked questions based on that particular piece of information. Whereas in other law entrance, it is topic based questions. So what are these topics? The topics are number systems, LCM and HCF, averages, percentages, profit and loss, ratio proportion, mixture and alligation, probability, time and work, time, speed and distance, boats and streams, train problems, area and perimeter, and geometry. So these are various sections from which questions are asked not only in CLAT but also for other law entrance examinations. So what you actually have to do is not only to prepare for CLAT but also for other law entrances. Because if anything happens on the CLAT day, you'll have some other backup option to get into any of the law schools. So how to prepare? First thing is to learn the fundamentals. I know most of you who are preparing for CLAT are, not interested in math. But if you really want to crack CLAT, you have to develop interest in math. You have to learn the fundamentals. If you're absolutely zero, okay, then start with multiplication tables, start with square roots and cube roots, and then start with number system, simplification, LCM, HCF, etc. And then learn the fundamentals, practice questions. And after practicing questions, make sure that your fundamentals are very strong, because if your fundamentals or basics are very strong, then you will be able to answer any of the questions from that particular topic. And practice a variety of questions. Don't stick to a particular set of questions. You can practice a variety of questions. You can also do topic based test, sectional test, and full length mock test. What is the difference between this? Topic based test, let us say you have practiced today, you have studied number systems and simplification. So you will be solving questions only from number systems and simplification. That is a topic based test. And second thing is sectional test. Sectional test is a complete quant section. Questions might be from number system, question might be from percentages, profit and loss, ratio proportion, boats and streams, time and work, etc. So it is complete quant section. And other thing is full length mock test. So you'll be practicing the quant section along with other section. So this is the exact replica of your CLAT 2022 examination. So practice is the key to solve faster and score better. The more you practice, the more you will be able to score better in less number of time. So the primary thing is to master the fundamentals. Fundamentals are very important. If you don't know, you will not be able to answer any of the questions. So that is how you have to do. And here are some important resources. You can go through the videos of any educator whom you are following, and there are structured courses on Unacademy Plus. If you want to take that, I'll just let you know about this in the next slides. And there are a lot of videos on YouTube, so I'm not going to suggest the name of any channel right now, but I'll suggest you on my Telegram channel, which is Thrinath Reddy CLAT. You can join my Telegram channel where I'll give you daily tips and tricks for your CLAT examination, and I'll tell you which channels are providing good videos. And you may also go through RS Agarwal Quantitative Aptitude, which will help you with a variety of questions. And you can practice T20 test and Unacademy Law Aptitude test. Both the tests are available absolutely for free on the Unacademy app. If you are a new user, you can definitely download the app and use my code Thrinath10 THRINATH10 to unlock these tests absolutely for free. So if you're going through these resources and practicing on these topics, then I think you'll be able to answer most of the questions accurately very fast in the quantitative technique section and also other law entrance examinations, not only in CLAT but also in other law entrances. So now I have a very important surprise to all of you. That is India's largest scholarship test, which is a championship mock for CLAT 2022, is starting on 14th of November. On 14th of November, we have a championship mock, 150 questions, 120 minutes, which is a full length mock test. First ranker in this particular mock test will be getting 100% scholarship. Okay, 100% scholarship on 6 month subscription plus 30 minutes one-on-one session with our top educators. And students who are getting from ranks 2 to 5, you will be getting 50% scholarship on all subscriptions. So along with this, there are some other important things like the Legalicious, which is a 1-year comprehensive batch for CLAT 2022. Batch is starting today, that is on 12th of November. So if you're cracking this exam with a rank of below 5, from 2 to 5, you'll be getting 50% scholarship on all these batches. If you're a first ranker, then you'll be getting all these batches absolutely for free. So if you're somebody who is preparing for CLAT 2022, I would suggest you to enroll in the Legalicious batch without wasting any time, because in this particular batch, we are going to deal all the subjects, as per the requirements of your CLAT examination. And Rankers Batch 2.0 is a 2-year comprehensive batch for CLAT 2023. If you're somebody who is preparing for CLAT 2023, I would suggest you to enroll in this batch, which is starting again today. So if you want to take any of Unacademy subscription, so you can definitely use my code. My code is Thrinath10. If you're using this code, do let me know. I'll be offering you personal mentorship for your CLAT 2022 and CLAT 2023 examination. So if you're preparing for CLAT and if you want to enroll, you can take the 6-month subscription. And if you're preparing for CLAT 2023, you can take the 18-month subscription. So these are some important things which I wanted to convey. And please make sure that you are enrolling in the championship mock test. The link will be given in the description. You can enroll from that. So that is what, and thank you for watching. In the next session, we'll be discussing the logical reasoning preparation strategy, that is both critical and analytical reasoning for your CLAT and other law entrance exams. So if you want to watch the next video, please make sure that you are liking this video and make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And this video will be out tomorrow and I'll see you all there. Bye bye.